In this video, I'll be covering everything related to hashtag strategy which you have to use for Instagram Reels. This particular strategy will get you impressions, reach, and a lot of followers. So if you want to grow your personal brand quickly in the next 2 months on Instagram, then watch this video till the end. Hello guys, what's up? Sanadya this side and this is my YouTube channel, helping you with everything related to digital marketing. If you are new here, this channel is all about helping digital marketers and influencers with basic as well as advanced knowledge required to make their campaigns a success. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. Also, you can connect with me on LinkedIn and other social media networks, the link to which you will get in the description. So since Instagram Reels is just launched, so for next 2 to 4 months, Instagram will be pushing Instagram Reels really hard. So the best way to get in front of a lot of people is to amalgamate both the strategies. Take Instagram Reels and hashtag strategy and mix them. In addition, a lot of people have reported that Instagram posts are getting a lot less attraction than they used to. The reason is simple. Instagram wants to have a lot of data points in order to decide whether Reels is successful for them, or if Reels is really successful for them, then how to capitalize on it before the ban on TikTok gets lifted or anything screws this thing up. Like YouTube is also coming with an alternative, and I'll be making that video as well. So subscribe to the channel if you want to be the first one to get that particular tutorial as well of the alternative to, TikTok on YouTube. Now that I have made sure that you know the importance of hashtag as well as Instagram Reels, let's get started. In this video, I won't be teaching you in detail the hashtag research strategy, which I have already done that in this video. So do check this one out, but later on. In order for you to understand and keep up the pace, I'll discuss that briefly. So there are two ways how you can do the hashtag research. So the first step is to go into the search bar and type the term which is most important in your niche. For example, if you are from finance, then just type hashtag finance. Or if you are from makeup industry, then just type hashtag makeup. And then you'll come to this page and there's a slider where Instagram auto suggests a lot of other hashtags. Over here, you can click on any of the hashtag and you'll be taken to next page where all the other hashtags would be there in the same slider. And this is how you would be auto suggested, or you'll be keep getting a lot of suggestions, and then you can click on some other hashtag and then you'll be taken to another page, and this is how you can do the hashtag research. Now the second method is to go to the person who is the most influential in your domain. When you do that, you will see that there would be a lot of posts which would be doing really great. Just go over there and see the hashtags which are working and note them down in your Excel. I have discussed this in this particular video, how to organize all the hashtags and how to use them. Go to this video after this particular video, okay, and see how to get the research done and how to transport all those hashtags into your mobile smoothly so that you don't waste any time. I generally use 3 tools. First one is Google Sheets. Second one is Asana. Third one is Evernote. Google Sheet helped me do the research so that when I'm posting, I don't have to go again and again and do the research. Once I do the research, I note down all the hashtags in this Excel sheet. Asana and Evernote help me take those particular hashtags and shift them from my desktop to my smartphone. I have mentioned the link to this particular video in the description as well. Also, you can click the I button and access it. Now let's dive into the actual strategy. Instagram Reels caption allow you to use 2200 characters and 30 hashtags. If you're using more than 30 hashtags, then nothing would be published. So the limit is 30 hashtags. Now the formula which I use is right in front of you. I will be using 4 hashtags with the reach more than 1 million plus and 500k plus. After that, I'll be using 8 hashtags from 100k plus category and 6 hashtags from 50k plus category. And then 4 hashtags from 20k plus and 10k plus. If you sum this up, it will be 30 hashtags.
4 4 8 8 16 16 6 22.
Now let me explain the logic behind this. This particular hashtag strategy is different from the Instagram post hashtag strategy which we use. And how is it so? I have used more hashtags in 1 million plus category and 500k plus category instead of using them down in the 20k plus category and 10k plus category. There is a logical reason behind it. For the next 2 to 3 months, this particular strategy will work. Why? Because there aren't as many posts as there should be, and that's combined with the factor that Instagram wants to collect a lot of data points. So they would be pushing each and everything. Obviously, if your content is not that good, they won't be pushing it. They would understand that it's not that good. But definitely, if it is good, then it will be getting a lot of traction. So currently, the hashtags which have more than 1 million plus posts don't have that many reels over there. So if you push hard on that particular aspect, then you can get a lot of attraction and you'll be featured in a lot of personalized feeds as well. But if you're watching this video after 3 months of this video's launch or the Instagram Reels launch, then definitely don't use this strategy, use this strategy now. Okay, it is similar to Instagram post. And why this strategy works now, because Instagram already has collected a lot of data points and they already have that many posts which can be accommodated in that particular or high density hashtags, and these 1 million plus popular hashtags are again populated, so this particular strategy won't work. Use this one. Also subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about Instagram Reels, because I'll be making a lot more videos on Instagram Reels in the next coming 5 to 6 days, so that you can use Instagram Reels to its fullest and gain as many followers as you can. Well, this was all for the video, and if you want to learn more about personal branding on Instagram, then click this playlist, and if you want to learn more about on how to earn money online, then click on this playlist. Until next time, bye bye.